Connecting via private endpoint is a secure way to access resources without exposing them to the public internet. To get started, you need to understand the concept of private endpoints and how they work. A private endpoint is a network interface that connects a virtual network to a service, allowing you to access the service as if it were part of your own network. First, identify the service you want to connect to via private endpoint, such as a database or storage service. Next, create a virtual network and ensure it has the necessary permissions and access controls in place. Then, create a private endpoint in your virtual network, specifying the service you want to connect to and the subnet where the private endpoint will be located. Once the private endpoint is created, you need to approve the connection. This involves verifying the identity of the private endpoint and ensuring it has the necessary permissions to access the service. After approval, the private endpoint will be connected to the service, and you can access the service as if it were part of your own network. Best practices for connecting via private endpoint include using strong access controls, monitoring network traffic, and regularly reviewing permissions. It is also important to ensure that your virtual network is properly configured and secured to prevent unauthorized access. In practical terms, connecting via private endpoint can be done using various tools and platforms, such as Azure or AWS. For example, in Azure, you can create a private endpoint using the Azure portal or Azure CLI, and then connect to the service using the private endpoint. Similarly, in AWS, you can create a VPC endpoint and connect to the service using the endpoint. In conclusion, connecting via private endpoint is a secure and reliable way to access resources without exposing them to the public internet. By following the steps outlined in this guide and using best practices, you can ensure a secure and successful connection. Remember to always prioritize security and access controls when connecting via private endpoint to protect your resources and data.